Welcome to my channel once again. This is Efog Joseph, your anchor man at the free genuine airdrops. If you are mining free Bunny airdrops and you have not connected your account to your Solana wallet, this video is for you. Before we move ahead to our video, click the subscribe button and make sure that you keep receiving our update whenever new videos are published. All right, thank you very much. Haven't subscribed to this channel, let's move ahead to what we need to do. All right, first of all, let's look at the area we are going to work on. Yes, this is your free Bunny interface. So you're going to click on the Start Now button, which is this or this, and let's see what happens. All right, now gradually it has booted. All right, now that it has booted, let's see. The next thing to do is to click on this area that says Task. Okay. All right. Now you have opened the task area, and then you still need to do one for that thing, which is this: connect your Solana address. Okay, so let's click on that and open it. Now you can see that there is something here already. There is something here already, but we need to remove this because you need to understand how we got here. I cannot go back to exactly the place we started from, but in this particular place, this is what we are supposed to see. This place is supposed to be empty. So this is where you are going to paste your address. So let's remove it now and so that you understand what we are doing. Okay, good. Now, we now go back to our Solana wallet, which is Phantom. Okay? There are other Solana wallets you can use, but for the sake of this video, we're using Phantom. So let's open Phantom wallet. Okay. Now we are in our Phantom wallet. In our Phantom wallet. So let's quickly do something here. Let's open this area that says Solana. Okay? You click on that and open it. All right. You have opened your Solana wallet, your Solana coin or whatever, the Solana blockchain. So you are going to do this. Click on that area that says receive. Okay. Now that you have touched the receive, you now copy that address using that button. Okay. So let's click on it. So it is copied. Now that it has been copied, we go back to our White Bunny area. You know, we stopped here. So we are going to paste our address now into this box that we first, sorry. We are going to paste the address into this box that we left open before. So let's go ahead and paste. Now that you have pasted and you see the yellow button down highlighted, you click on that yellow button and connect. Okay, now that we have highlighted, the area is highlighted, we just click on it and see what happens. Okay, our address is connected. Okay, so that is it. You don't need so much um, tutoring to be able to do it. Just follow what we have done so far, and your wallet address will be added. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have not liked the video before and you feel that it's helpful, just click on the like button, and also remember to share it with your friends. And if you are not subscribed, remember once again to hit the subscribe button so that you keep getting our update whenever new videos are published. Thank you, and see you again in our next video.